What's up, everybody? It's Larissa Shanti, and today we are on day 3 of the 12 days of Breathing Through the Holidays series. Today we're going to be doing Sama Vritti, also known as equal parts breath or box breathing. This practice is really good for kind of just bringing it all back to balance, bringing our bodies back to equilibrium. And it's a really great one to do at the end of your asana practice, or I personally like to do it first thing in the morning before I meditate. So it's just a nice one to just kind of bring you back in, bring you back to focus and balance. Let's go ahead and get into it. So if you want to come sit on a block, or maybe sit on a blanket if you don't have a block, anything to kind of elevate the hips so they're a little bit higher than the knees, and that creates just a little bit more space in the body. And then I always like to suggest taking the yoga pants so they're down below the kind of belly crease, and that again just creates more space in the abdominal area, which is where our diaphragm likes to do our breathing work for us. So once you get nice and settled, hands can be wherever you like. We're going to start the practice with an inhale, and then you're going to hold the breath at the top, and then you're going to exhale, and you're going to hold the void retention. So you're going to hold without any breath in the lungs, and then you'll continue on the inhale. And we usually like to start the length being around 4 seconds. So every inhale, hold, and exhale will be about the same length. That's why they kind of call it square breathing. So you can think of a box, and everything is the same length on all sides. So we usually start around 4 seconds, and then you can slowly increase it from there, but you only want to increase it if it feels easy. Like if you're not holding your breath and like waiting to the last second and then really taking a deep inhale, yeah? So we don't want any of that. We want it to feel nice, steady, easy, no strain before moving on to longer holds, yeah? It's better to focus on ease than length. That's going to give you more benefit overall. All right, so let's begin. Hands where you like. You can close the eyes or leave them soft. First, just take a few natural inhales and exhales, bringing awareness to the breath as it is. Then on your next inhale, inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold the breath for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold the void for 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold the void for 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhaling for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold the void for 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold the void for 4, 3, 2, 1. Now try to do it counting in your own head. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Inhale, last round. On your next inhale, just breathe naturally. Keep the eyes closed. And just kind of tune into any sensations that may be arising in the body, in the mind. Noticing how you feel now compared to when we first started the practice. Gently blink the eyes back open, nice and slow. I hope you found that enjoyable, and I definitely recommend Sama Vritti. It's my go-to breathing practice for any time of day, after asana, before meditation. It really just kind of centers and brings everything back to balance. So, thank you so much. Until next time.